Hi guys, welcome back. So, as you probably noticed, everything is yellow, which should tell you what this video is about. Today I'm doing an all yellow photo shoot, which means everything is yellow. Even my socks. I don't want to make this intro too long because it's very straightforward. Be sure to watch this video till the very end to see all the results and bloopers. And without further ado, let's get started. So that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe down below. Also let me know what you want me to do next. Be sure to follow my social media, it's also down in the description box below. And besides the bloopers, I'll see you next week. Bye. Everything is yellow. Even my socks are yellow. I really cannot find the word I'm looking for.